Good morning children. Today our Narayana live classes key dated on July 2nd, 2020 for the class 7th subject social studies, and the topic is tanks and groundwater. The topic is tanks and groundwater. So here the first question is, the evidence for the use of tanks for agriculture was dated from. Means since when the men started using the tanks for agriculture. So here the evidence is from which people, by the evidence we came to know that the megaliths, the megalithic period only, the people started using the tanks for agriculture. They started constructing the tanks for agriculture. So the megalith period. So in megalith period means mega means big. So the big stones were used for the construction of the tanks. And in this megalith period, how did they interlock? By the interlocking system of the stones only, they were building the tanks without the use of any cement or mortar. So the period in which the tanks were built, the evidence was in the period megalith period. So option B, megaliths. Coming to the next question. So in which region? In the Telangana region, the main source for irrigation is. So in the main source of irrigation in Telangana region is tanks. Why the tanks? So in Telangana region is a semi-arid type of climate. Means it is not completely dry region, or not heavy rainfall does not occur there. So average rainfall will be occurring, a semi-arid type of climate. So in order, when it rains, in order to store the rainwater, they use the tanks. So the source of irrigation in the Telangana region is tanks. C, tanks. Next, in the previous days in the villages, a man is appointed. The person who is appointed to supervise the tanks in and around the tanks, that person is called as, what he is called as? He is called as Nirati or Neeru Kattu Manishi. So here both the options are given. Option A and option B are correct. So option D, A and B. So Nirati or Neeru Kattu Manishi. He is the person to supervise the tanks. Means when to release the water, when to stop the release of the water in the villages. So this man is appointed. Next, the wall against the tank. It is called as band or band. So option C, band or band. Next question is, identify the true statements among the given. They are given. So the tanks, they are used to in the dry season. To store the water, the tanks are used in the dry season. Means how in the dry season? In the summer season, what is happening? We won't be getting the rains. So everywhere it is a dry season where without rainfall, without water. So this tank water is stored, and this water is used for in the summer season. So this option is correct. And next question is, it does not let out the runoff water. Means what is happening? If it rains heavily, the water will be flowing, and it flows and at last joins the sea. So all the water will be wasted. So this rain water will be stored in the tank. So this is also the correct option. Next, the third option is what? It stops the soil erosion. So when the it rains, all the water will flow, and along with that, the top layer of the soil also is washed away. So this cannot take place because the water is stored in the soil, in the tank. So what is happening? This flow of water won't be, the soil erosion does not take place because of the tanks. This is also the correct option. So option D, all is the answer. Next, coming to the sixth question, also identify the true statements. So I have already discussed in the second question that Telangana region there are more tanks. They build more tanks. So the first option is Telangana region. The source of irrigation is tanks. It is correct option. Next, history tells us the earlier kings, the Kakatiyas, the Nayakars, these kings, they have built the tanks for irrigation. Yes, this is also correct. And these kings, third option is what? These kings have given more importance to the agriculture. So all the three options in the given question are correct. So option D, all. Next, coming to the question part, reasons for the decline in use of tank. what are the reasons? The first one is there is amount of rainfall. Before what is happening now? The rainfall is not up to the mark because of the pollution around. So the amount of rainfall, because of the less amount of rainfall. Next option is what? The tanks. If the tanks get repaired also, this nowadays what, no one is using a lot of tanks. So if the tanks get repaired also, the tanks, repairs of the tanks are neglected. So this is the second option. Next, in nowadays what is happening everywhere, we are finding they are even cutting the agricultural field is turned into the for the commercial purpose. So like that the tanks also are removed and they are used for construction of the buildings. So removal of the tanks for constructing buildings. And nowadays what is happening, before there was only tanks to store the water and this water only is used for agriculture. But nowadays what we are using, the bore wells. We are digging inside the water, the bore water, if you press the motor immediately we are getting plenty of water. So because of the usage of the more bore wells, there is a decline in the usage of the tanks. Usage of the bore wells. Okay children, hope you have understood. Thank you.